Hi, it's a day for Expert Village. Today we're going to make some stuffed mushrooms with ham and shrimp. Okay, so now we're going to mince the ham. The easiest way I find for this is go ahead and just cut this as usual. Since this is a rounder type of ham, go ahead and just take off a slice like that. Now you've got a nice flat surface again. And then just cut it lengthwise. To do it this way, since we're going to mince this up, since it's going to be a stuffing, we're going to mince this up pretty small. So I can make the long cuts just like this. Then go ahead and turn them like this, and then you make your cross cuts. It's coming out pretty small, and what we're going to end up doing also, because we want to make this really small for stuffing,